Britain's first monoplane, the Bristol Blenheim.
Blenheim used extensively before, couple of
in other words, prospective bomber. The Germans used it a lot to disguise what they were doing, but this was genuinely designed for airmail transport. And its performance was outstanding.
Looked while he was over there in particular at the American Lockheed Electra and used some of the design elements of the Electra in his plans for the Blenheim. Basically there were two nose designs available on the Blenheim, largely obsolete, as to be said, the aircraft around the world. Blenheim flew into the aviation history books because it was the aircraft that carried out the first Allied air attack on the Japanese carrier force in the Pacific War. Up to 5 boosted around 172 knots, which is about 98 miles an hour, something like that, at 11,000 feet, and an operational range effectively of about 1,400 miles.
Just to give you an idea, when it was still a light rail flight, the aircraft would fly over 300 miles an hour, but the added weight of military equipment would put down to around 200. That said, when first ordered, the fastest aircraft the RAF had available was the Gloucester Gladiator, which you'll see later today, and that in turn could only manage 253 miles an hour. So it was very comparable with existing aircraft. As far as we know, this is the only authentic Blenheim that's flying at the moment, but there is one in Finland where a veteran of their war with the Russians in the early 1940s is being restored to fly. That information's a little bit dated, and I don't know whether it's viable yet, but the project is still live. One rather tragic final note is that Frank Barnwell, who designed the Blenheim, didn't live to see, but all three of his sons died flying Blenheims in the early part of the war.
Wonderful low rumble of the Bristol Mercury engines, 9-cylinder radial engines up front on the Blenheim.
Right diesel engines were very much favoured in the United States because they gave very good performance over range. Not necessarily at altitude, but they gave you the range which you needed.
It's a testament to the engineers who are keeping these wartime aircraft in the skies 80 odd years after probably not expecting.
And the Blenheim was very much in at the beginning of World War II. In fact, it flew the first reconnaissance, high-altitude reconnaissance mission over Wilhelmshaven on the day war was declared, and they were involved continuously in bombing the invasion barges that the Germans were accumulating in various French harbours in lieu of the Battle of Britain, a potential victory in the Battle of Britain.